thanks for watching. In today's video, we're opening up the Lifestyle box by Bombay Cedar. And this must be the September box. So their boxes ship out later in the month and they have been a little behind. So they usually ship between the 20th and the 25th of the month. So if you guys order now, you'll be getting the October box and not the box we're opening. If you are interested in subscribing, it is $44.95 a month. It's free shipping in the US. There is shipping available worldwide, but if you're outside the US, there'll be a shipping charge. And I do have a code to save 10%, so if you guys are interested, definitely take advantage of that. So I will link Bombay Cedar along with that code and my Bombay Cedar playlist if you want to see all the boxes I've opened in the past. I absolutely love this box, highly recommend it. Can't wait to see what's inside. So before we get started today, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And just a reminder, we do have a giveaway going on. It's in the glossy box video, so if you guys missed that, I'll try to link it down below so you can check that out next. And I might be looking a little crazy today, guys. I was doing my makeup and I kept messing up and like trying to fix it, and it just kept getting more out of control. So yeah, that's why we're looking this way. I'm not like going out or anything. Just was experimenting with makeup and it went awry, but let's get this box open. I'll stop rambling. Hey, Emmy. I open it up. That's what it looks like. And a card here. And it looks like the theme for September is resilient, enhancements for your work life. And it lists all the items inside and gives the pricing. And it looks like there are some variations, and the total retail value, depending on what you get, will be between $106.52 and $128.62. First thing I see is a headband or a sleeve mask. I don't know what it is, but the print is pretty. Let's get this out. Oh, it is a headband. Yay, I love headbands. I wear them all the time. I actually don't have one on right now, surprisingly. So this could vary. This says you could have gotten a fabric headband from a variety of designers, and these printed headbands with elastic stretch are available in several styles and colors, and the price range is between $12 and $14. This is really pretty. I'll have to put this on for my next video to switch up how I look, but I love the design. Anything with floral. And I like that it's elastic, so it'll be comfortable. You can actually see the model wearing it right there. It seems like in every box we get some sort of snack, and this is the snack of the month. Crazy, authentic flavor, limitless possibilities. Guava toasted corn crackers. Interesting. These are vegan and gluten-free, so flavorful and crunchy you'll never look again at a tortilla chip the same way again. And by the way, everything that comes in this box is cruelty-free. I love that. Next thing is some bubble wrap. Is this like a cleaning agent? Did we get that last one? Oh, and I forgot to say the toasted corn crackers. It says a range for the value. I mean, I have the little squiggles all over me. Oh, I'm a mess. I haven't filmed in like a week, but literally I'm a mess. You know, the packing material, this stuff just got all over me. It looks like I have crazy dandruff or something. But anyways, the snack ranges from $2.59 to $4.69, so maybe other snacks were in here as well. So if you guys got anything different than me, I would love to hear what you got. But anyways, the next item, this is by Distill brand. This is sanitizing elixir for germy hands, infused with rosemary, mint, essential oils. It has 80% alcohol. It's upcycled and distilled from corn, hardcore sanitizer in a beautiful bottle. This is a really beautiful bottle. So this is hand sanitizer. This is huge. There's 375 milliliters in here, and it does come with a pump. I love this. At first I was thinking this is gonna be like something you like spray and clean, like a multi-purpose like cleaner or something, but because it's so big. What awesome. This is definitely useful. We all use this all the time, right? And this will look super cute. I'm trying to think where I'll put it. Maybe in here or in the kitchen. So this you could have gotten in your box, or the other option would have been the shower powder by Way of Will. And this costs $29.99. Kind of like reminding me of alcohol, maybe. I've said this before and people made fun of me. I'm like my boozy mind. Next up, by Tech Candy, Tech Taffy, Dust Devouring Compound. Oh, I could use this, yay! It's cleaning goo for keyboards, electronics, car vents, and crevices. Busts dust and battles bacteria. It's reusable. My computer is like so gross looking. I'm on it all the time, so I could totally use this for the keyboard. To use, just pinch off a chunk of Tech Taffy and press repeatedly into dirty crack. No, not that crack. What? Replace chunk and container and tighten lid after use. When full layer of Tech Taffy is discolored and full of lots of visible gunk, dispose and move on to the next layer. Interesting. Looks all like gooey and stuff. So this cost $11.99. Next up, this is kind of funny. This is, I think the brand is Fanny Pack. This is eco-friendly toilet seat covers, hygienic, unscented, biodegradable. There's 10 pieces in here. So I guess if you're a big germaphobe or like traveling or like in a public bathroom, this would be a nice thing to have. And it's definitely compact that you can fit it in your bag. And this costs $5. Looks like we have a journal here. It says, "There's nothing like a new day, a bold chance, a blank page." I love like light green, like mint color and white and black together. Super pretty. The back matches. And yeah, it looks like it's just a blank notebook. So you could have gotten a journal or a composition book, and this is by Compendium, I believe is the brand. And depending on what you got, the price ranges from $6.95 to $9.95. Oh, we got a little thing here by Evolue, I believe is how you say this brand's name. I've received a few things from them before and I've liked everything I've tried, especially an eye cream. But this is their hydrating serum. And I think this is a sample size. There's 10 milliliters in here, and on the back it says no animal testing, but nothing we get in this box should be tested on animals. This is actually $24. Yeah, this is an expensive brand. You get just a little bit, but it says it improves the skin's natural balance and plumps where skin is lacking in hydration. It keeps skin from showing signs of premature aging by preventing lines from deepening and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It revitalizes dull, dry skin. Nice, and this is good to send out like something hydrating when the, well, depending on where you live, like when the weather is changing to cooler weather. It hasn't really cooled down here. Today it's like, what does it say, like 88 right now is the high. It's not in the 90s at least. And every month in Bombay Cedar we get 2 essential oils, and I think this is all that's left. Yep, so these are actually made in-house by Bombay Cedar, and they're always really great, and they come in a drawstring bag. It's usually different every month. I always try and repurpose these somehow. So the first one, this is Invigorating Lime Essential Oil, and this one is $14. And it says that this is beneficial to treating infections, increasing appetite, promoting emotional balance, reducing fever, and more. And what I like is that they provide little cards for each of them. It'll tell you the benefits, precautions, and what the oils blend well with. And then the next one is Relaxing Anise Star. And this one is $15, and it is known to assist in calming sore muscles, working as an antiseptic and a tonic. So I decided to throw the headband on quick so I can show you guys what it looks like. It's super comfortable and I like it. I like the colors of it a lot. It's a little different, like there's a top knot here and one side just like a thick strap and the other is like 2 of them. If that makes any sense. I feel like I cannot speak today. But I think this is my favorite item this month. Like overall, this isn't my all-time favorite Bombay Cedar, but I don't think it's bad. I feel like I'll get use out of pretty much everything. Next, I'm really excited about this Tech Candy thing because I actually really need it. Like, I feel like we get such different, like unique items in this box. Like, can we talk about this toilet seat cover? Like, where else do you get those on? But stuff like this, like, I really need, and I have never gotten it in other boxes before, so that is awesome. And the hand sanitizer bottle is so pretty, and I could always use hand sanitizer, so I'll place this somewhere in my house. It looks nice. So yeah, that was everything. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And again, if you are interested in subscribing, make sure you use that 10% off code. And if you go to their website that I'm linking down below, they do have some spoilers for October you can check out. But yeah, thanks guys again for being here, and thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks and also join, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.